Good morning. Welcome to your 8:15 daily operations weather briefing. We have a very nice day in store today. Temperatures rising into the lower 60s. A slightly breezy northwesterly wind will pick up for the late morning and afternoon hours, but otherwise will stay dry. And a really nice day out there, just slightly below normal for this time of year temperature-wise. Looking at our current surface analysis across the region, we had that area low pressure that really was giving the northeast states quite a storm and weather across the areas of Massachusetts. Saw some winds up to 90 miles an hour with that storm moving through on earlier this week. So that storm will continue to weaken and move off the northeast. Our next system will be subtropical low over the Gulf of Mexico that will be named Nestor. For today, most likely it will be named and categorized as a subtropical storm, and then move towards Florida and then up the East Coast for Saturday into Sunday, providing us with some unsettled weather for Sunday. But for today and for tomorrow, we'll have an area of high pressure over the Great Lakes building in the region, giving us very nice and pleasant or beautiful conditions across the Mid-Atlantic region. Our current conditions this morning, we have a few clouds at 3,000 feet. Winds out of the northwest at 290 degrees at 6 knots, temperature 49 degrees, and relative humidity at 63%. Looking at our satellite imagery this morning, not really much on the satellite, just some low-level cumulus or stratocumulus clouds across Pennsylvania and also over the waters of the Atlantic Ocean. That's giving us a little bit of that few clouds at 3,000 feet. Going to see that cloud cover build in for the afternoon hours. We'll see plentiful sunshine, decent lapse rates, and cyclonic flow over the region. That'll provide us with some building clouds around 3,000 feet across the region and giving us a ceiling most likely for the afternoon hours around 3,000 to 4,000 feet. Our radar imagery this morning, nothing on the radar, nothing expected. And looking at our 3-kilometer NAM model for the next few days, getting into this afternoon, you can see a little bit of lake effect rain shower activity induced by some orographic lift over the mountains of Pennsylvania. Moving into the afternoon hours and the evening hours, here's 5 o'clock this evening, nothing on the radar, nothing expected. And quickly moving into Saturday, here's Saturday morning, should be a very nice morning, although it will be quite chilly out there. Temperatures in the upper 30s in the central portions of the Delmarva Peninsula, lower 40s along the coast. So coolest morning we've had so far in this early fall season. Not out of the question we see some frost, especially over the western portions of the Mid-Atlantic region and into the western and northwestern portions of Virginia and Maryland. But we move into our Sunday, we'll have the remnants of what will be Nestor moving into the region, and the track is still a little bit uncertain, but looks like we'll have rain showers moving into the region Sunday morning, continuing through early Sunday afternoon, and you can see the 3-kilometer NAM model really giving us quite a good amount of rainfall. Some difference between the NAM and the GFS and the European, so looking like our rainfall totals will probably be around an inch or possibly greater for Sunday with this system coming through. But back to our today's weather, high around 62 today, northwesterly winds 9 to 14 knots, gusting up to 21 knots for the afternoon hours, down to 40 tonight here at Wallops with north winds 3 to 6 knots. And then tomorrow morning we'll just have, for the next 24 hours for our terminal forecast, we'll have VFR conditions across the region, and by tomorrow morning we'll just have a scatter deck around 25,000 feet and green chart across the board for today. Our tides are currently normal, and looking at the weekend, we'll have mostly sunny, partly cloudy skies and pleasant conditions on Saturday. A high of 64 degrees. Saturday night, mostly cloudy to overcast. Rain likely towards dawn. Slightly breezy late as well. And we'll have an early overnight low of 52, with temperatures rising into the mid-50s to upper 50s overnight, with that northeasterly component of the wind allowing for those temperatures to rise during the overnight hours. We'll have those rain showers coming in, most likely around 6 a.m. on Sunday morning. So this forecast should go out to 8 o'clock, so we're going with an orange for our precipitation, yellow for our ceilings and visibility, and then Sunday we'll have overcast skies, rain likely through the afternoon hours, and then just some lingering drizzle or light rain showers for the evening hours. Some of the rain could be heavy at times. We'll have breezy onshore flow, high of 64 degrees, red for precipitation, orange for our winds and ceilings and visibilities. And as I mentioned, Sunday we could be seeing rainfall over an inch here at Wallops. Some of the models are indicating we could be seeing even greater amounts than that, but most likely we'll see that system tracking south of the region over North Carolina and providing us with some rainfall and possibly up to an inch of rain. Well, that'll complete our 8:15 daily operations weather brief. I hope everybody has a great day. Back at 10 o'clock to look at the next 7 days.